If you want to convert your normal photo into portrait photo on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I show you how. The thing is very simple. I just open the camera app and you can choose any lenses. I leave it for 1x. Okay, now I just tap at the center. This is the focus point and capture the image. And I minimize this and close the recent. And again open camera app. Now I didn't tap anything and capture the photo. Okay, now I just open the Photos app and this is the photo I tapped. Here you can see the portrait option. Click that. So in default it will be selected to portrait off because I didn't turn on the portrait mode. If I tap portrait, so here you can see the outer portion was blurred out. Only it covers the center portion. If you again want to change this to normal, you can change here. But if you came here, if you didn't tap while taking the photo, you can't make that as portrait. There is no option for here. And this will work for already taken photo also. So here you can see this is already taken photo. If I want to change this to portrait, here I can change that. So this option will give you a good result on selfie camera. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17, watch this playlist.